Afternoon, everyone. Today, in our workshop, I will walk you through the process of directed put away in WMS. Put away is the process of moving received inventory to stock for storage. Oracle WMS Cloud supports both user and system directed types of put away. System directed put away provides the ability for the system to determine the best location to store the item based on what rules we have defined. Let's walk through the process of put away. Setup for this process are put away type, put away priority, put away rules, location size types, location, and all these setups are already performed and will be covered through other videos at later stages. Now let's go to the item screen. In the item screen, you can see an item is created with item code face tissue 01 and the put-away type is also attached which we have created in the earlier stages. Adding one more crucial point into this is in directed put-away required association of put-away type. Put-away type is like identifying the category of product which you are going to stock in a specific location. This can be associated with item or directly at ASN level. We recommend to associate this with item and it will flow automatically to required process. Now coming to the ASN screen. In the ASN screen, you can see a ASN is created against a purchase order or a production order as PO50, in which you can see the item code is attached as same which we have created in the item screen. After this, in the details, you can also see the LPN is pallet flag is also yes. And the status for this ASN is receiving complete. Let's see the status of this ASN in inbound shipment screen. In the inbound shipment screen, you can see the status for this ASN is received and the pallet number is face tissue 011 and also the location is empty as it has not been put away. Let's do the put away for this ASN in the location FG which we have derived from put away priorities. Let's go to the RF screen. In the RF screen, you can see the screen is asking for pallet slash LPN. So let's provide the pallet number. Let's go to the inbound screen and copy this pallet number. Here we are using this pallet number as manually, but in real scenario, this pallet number will be directly scanned from handheld devices. Let's paste that pallet number and press enter. After entering, you can see the pallet number is already popping up with face tissue 011 which we have entered in the previous scheme. After that, the PA type, that is the put away type which we have created earlier, and directed location in which we need to put away this item. So let's provide the location barcode. In the real scenario, this location will be scanned by the handheld devices. Press enter. You can see after pressing enter, it's again come on the pallet LPN screen. Now let's go to the inbound screen and check the status of LPN or pallet. So now if you check the status of the pallet is located and the location is also here FG111. So like this we can locate our put away pallet in the system. Thank you.